Hi, welcome back to my channel, Fabulously Frugal and Fancy. And today I am going to be showing you a couple, just two simple, easy Valentine's DIYs. One is a door hanger and one is a tiered tray, sort of. So you'll see when I do it. I hope you enjoy it. Let's go make something fabulous.
The last 2 weeks are 5 yards in the air because they can run the ball, Jim. He just takes what the defense gives him and throws it underneath.
There's your example right there. McCann with the first down. And right there, he's past the 48-yard line.
He's well. Yeah, they're going to win this challenge.
Yep.
You got it. His perfect record, 10 for 10 stays in the top.
All right, so making this wreath, I put it all together. I realized I did not actually film, and so I'm just going to walk you through. It's very simple. I started with that, you can see it in the back, the garland wreath form, and I pulled all of the garland off. And then I used the microfiber towels from the Dollar Tree. I cut it in strips, and I wrapped it around, and I glued it in the back. So I just took it here, attached it all the way around, wrapped it around this way, and glued it here until I covered the entire thing. I did cut off that little hoop at the top, and then I took flowers from Dollar Tree. I took the roses in various colors, and I just glued them on. These little white sprigs were from Christmas. They were leftover Christmas items that went on sale. Look at that, I'm right in the center of the heart. And I just used hot glue and applied those. It took me maybe 5 minutes to complete this heart wreath form. Turned out very pretty. Looks beautiful on the front door, and I hope you liked it. So it was very easy to do, and I'm sorry that I didn't actually show you, but I think you can actually figure out exactly what I did there. Now, the second thing I made that I did not film was this tiered tray. Now I have something sitting on it because I was taking pictures, and I just piled some flowers in. I used this heart-shaped plate. It is, I don't know, like either a hard, yeah, it's really hard plastic from Target. Excuse me. And this heart-shaped bowl, also from Target. This was pretty easy. And then I used 2 of these candlesticks. As you can see, I put one down and then flipped one over. These came off of Christmas clearance from Hobby Lobby. And I just used, to attach everything together, the Fix-All, what's it called? Fix-All adhesive by Super Glue. So to decorate this, I just took the leftover flowers from my other, and I just sat those up here in this. Sorry, all my flowers are going to fall. I'm going to set this right here just so I can show you. I just placed some flowers in here. Tried to separate. I use a few different colors here, so I'm just trying to keep them all all right. So I just placed flowers in the heart there. This one is not wanting to go down inside. There we go. Now he's not sticking up so far. And then I just took a microfiber cloth. I just took this love plaque. It has love engraved in it. I did not paint this or anything. I actually paid a few more dollars for this. I got this at Target. Just placed this at the back. Took my candle that I also got off clearance. It's called Peppermint and Cream. It smells so good, and I do not smell any peppermint. It smells like frosting. I just took the lid and placed it over here because it's gold and it's shiny and it's pretty. And a simple little tiered tray here that's very simple, elegant, very sturdy. Like I can pick it up from the top even with the candle on. Nothing is going anywhere except the lid to my candle. It's trying to fall off. But the super glue, I was so impressed with this. I got this at Dollar Tree. So impressed because I have gone through several different adhesives. Cannot find one that'll hold tiered trays together. This one turned out really cute, and I love how it turned out. So I hope you like that. Again, I'm sorry you couldn't see me actually putting these things together, but I wanted to share them with you. Even though I did not record, I wanted to share with you how I put them together so that you could put some together yourself, make them for yourself if you would like. Very easy, very simple, and they turned out beautiful. So I appreciate you. I appreciate, sorry, I cannot talk today. I appreciate the fact that you know, sometimes we all make mistakes and we all mess up, but I did not want to miss putting this up. I wanted to still share it with you. Just know that when you're crafting, sometimes you make mistakes. Actually, a lot of times we make mistakes. Don't give up on it. Don't just trash it or just ignore the idea. Just think about how you can do it without a different way, without your first thought. My first thought was to show you guys on video how I made these beautiful items. That didn't work because I messed up. So my second thought was, how can I show them? Because I've already done it. So these turned out really cute, and I hope you like them as much as I do. Talk to you later.
And right there, he's past the 48-yard line.
He's well, yeah. They're going to win this challenge. You got it. It's perfect record. 10 for 10 stays in the top.